welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you my summer essential products in terms of makeup, which has lasted me through very hot, humid, sweaty summer days, and till the end of the day my face looked so intact I cannot describe. And this is the look that I have created while I was applying those products and explaining how to apply them in the best possible way and make it work for you. And one more thing I just wanted to mention in there, today the quality of the audio might not be as great because the battery of my mic died right before I started filming. I apologize. Until next time, take care, subscribe. So at this point, I have done my skincare, worn my SPF, literally slathered myself in SPF 100, and then the first step for makeup was this makeup setting spray, which also hydrates my skin. This locks in your makeup so beautifully and it just does not move. And all these products that I am going to share with you today, they are all meant for this hot, humid summer weather. And if you want a long-lasting, flawless face, that is what it is going to give you. So after that setting spray has set onto my face, I used this NYX focus. Yes, I used this NYX Marshmallow primer, which gave me a beautiful layer of flawlessness. I mean, I have used this primer before with other foundations and oh my god, I was like, how on earth do my face look so different and more flawless than ever? Then I realized it was down to this primer. It doesn't do much in terms of pore filling, like it doesn't make you feel very tight around the pore area, but it makes your makeup long lasting and flawless, which you are going to see it for yourself. So this is, I believe, quite a drugstore dupe for the Tatcha Luminous Silk Canvas, which I love. But if you ask me, I will still pick that up over this because I am biased in terms of my makeup, which I love, which I don't, I try to, but it doesn't happen. Then I quickly color correct my discolorations on my face. Because I'm explaining every step and product, it is going to take maybe a little longer than what it actually took me when I was getting ready. When I'm not talking, I literally got this makeup done under 15 minutes. I would not say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, because my mascara takes quite a bit of time. So foundation wise, I packed literally 2 skin tints and 1 full coverage. 2 for the day, 1 for night if I was going out. Though I did say though. That's in Bengali. Anywho, so for my foundation today, I will be using this HUDABEAUTY. It is Glowish by HUDABEAUTY. It is a multi-dew skin tint and my shade is 06 Medium Tan. The consistency is so creamy. You can blend it in with your fingers, but I have figured out if I use a normal beauty blender like this to apply this, it looks beautiful. But if I use something like this, which is a microfiber sponge, that way the coverage stays intact. This gives quite a good medium coverage and you can even build it up. See it for yourself. So I pick up a little bit of product with this and I work section by section, like just see when I'm blending in. First of all, what a match, you guys. But right now I am so tanned. I am like literally 2 shades darker than what I was when I left for Santorini. but it still matches, so the shade range is quite stretchable, I would say. Now for my concealer, I generally pack at least 2 kinds of concealer. This time I just packed 1, but in 3 different shades. This is my Hourglass Vanish concealer. So for underneath my eyes, for my skin tone, I use the shade Dune and Beach, which is more light. And if I have any discoloration which I want to correct, for which I use Flax. I'm going to show you, this is not going to budge. So whenever you wear something very sheer on your face, as in foundation wise, which is not very full coverage giving, you can use a concealer like this, which is very high coverage, and you can easily correct imperfections wherever and however you need it. After that, I went in with this product. This is Huda Beauty's Tantour in the shade Light. And this is such a beautiful creamy product, you guys. I am legit obsessed. You will see why. So I pick up a little bit of product and I apply it with this brush. This is the sculpting brush by Real Techniques, and just here underneath my cheekbones, a little bit here. It is such an easy to wear product. That is what drawn to me the most, I believe. And of course the product itself is like so brilliant. Like, it literally take not even 5 seconds to blend, did it? So for vacation, you want to use something which is quick, which serves the purpose, and which looks epic. I love this product. By far, cream contour wise, after the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate, I mean, I think I can dare to say I love this one as much as my Tom Ford one. Beautiful product if you guys want to try it on. So blush wise, right before I left for my vacation, Rare Beauty launched in the Middle East, and being me, I couldn't resist to get my hands on some blushes. So I got these 2 by Rare Beauty, and these 2 are beautiful, you guys. In this one in the shade Love, and this is in the shade Grateful. And these literally arrived the night before I was traveling, and I did not have enough chance to try these on. But when I put this on my face, oh my god, you guys, it would not blend. Oh wow, like it would blend, but then it would take off everything that it has underneath. It was so difficult to blend, but still I kept on trying because I love these shades. So today I'm not gonna try these. Instead, I am going to share with you which you guys will also love. So this is Fenty Beauty's cream blush. It is in the shade Rose Latte, and this shade, you guys, as you can see, I have used quite a bit. And this also I used with this sponge because that is how I guess the most coverage, and it blends in beautifully. So I would place it right across my nose and my cheeks like this, just to get that very sunburned, healthy looking face. And after this, in the same range, I used a different color. This is Strawberry Dip. This is a very corally pinkish color, which I just wanted to add around the apples of my cheek so that it looks more youthful. Look at that. Whew. And do you guys see how easy it is to blend? It's like blending in itself, and it is not lifting anything underneath. That is what I love about these blushes. And at this point, I will come back with this spray one more time and just lock everything in. And then to set underneath my eyes and around my face, I used the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder because it does not dry out my skin as much, but the way it sets, it's like airbrushed, legit. And after that, what I did was, just to make sure there is is no creasing, nothing on my face for the rest of my day and night, I did a trick, which was I took this powder, Huda Beauty Baby Bake in the shade Blondie. Well, I do not quite like this sponge, so I don't use it. I take it little at the palm of my hand, and then I take this sponge, then I pick up the powder on this beauty blender sponge, especially at the tip of it, and like baking, I will just go around the areas which tends to move and sweat and crease. My sponge lines, and then a little bit here too, because I have quite a few expression lines. And whatever is left, maybe I'll just do it here, like that. And after this, I will move on to my brows. Till the time I will let this powder sit onto my face, not for too long. So for my brows, I have been trying a new routine, and today I'm going to share this with you. So I got this product by Anastasia. This is the Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. You guys, this is such a beautiful, beautiful product. So I take a spoolie, pick up a little bit of it, and then I brush my brows with it. And the way it holds the brow, you guys, it's like unbelievable. It is so, so, so good. I mean, especially for these kind of looks, I love this lifted up bushy brows. I mean, this is looking crazy right now. Wait till it is done. So I'm gonna let this thing dry while I am going to remove the powder on the face. So along with the Glowish skin tint, Huda Beauty also launched this bronzer, which I was very, very excited about because her products are generally really good. So this is in the shade 0310 Light, and guys, this product is so brilliant. It is like flawless in a pan. It is glowy but not too glowy. It sets the bronzer, it gives you that depth and warmth but not too much. How good is this bronzer, you guys? Love this. Remember, this is 0310 Light for my complexion. Because we did all the baking, I want my skin to look a little bit more dewy and luminous. For that, I love this Fenty Beauty What a Dew makeup setting spray. This is in a tiny mini size, so I just liberally spray this all over my face, and it just takes away that dry, cakey looking face. And while that is drying, I apply some highlighter. Did you think I forgot my highlighter? How can that be possible? So for that, I took this Orgasm NARS palette, and this highlighter, you guys, your highlighter will be seen from the space. See that? I mean, see this? So be very careful while applying this highlight, because this will get from 0 to 300 in one swipe. I would generally take my pinky, take the highlighter, just dab it in the corner of my eyes, in the inner corner of my eyes. So I basically focused on my face makeup than my eye makeup, because eyes are very simple to do, but face, if it falls off, everything will look bad. And after that, I love to intensify my blush towards the end, just one more time. So I took this blush, which is by Dior. This is the 999 Rouge Blush, but this is how it looks like. It looks very intimidating on the pan, but when you apply it to your face, it looks so pretty and youthful, like, just see. And the trick after this was, I took my powder blush and just go over with the blush with this brush, so that it looks all blended and natural and like glowing from within. So for my eyes, I literally didn't do anything. I will take the Glowish bronzer on a fluffy brush and I will just run it around my socket just to enhance the depth of my eyes. So I will just curl my lashes after this and we'll go with my mascaras, waterproof of course. If you want, you can wear falsies. It is completely your personal choice. But I do not carry any falsies for my vacations. And after the mascara, what I do is I take any black liner and just to draw a very thin line just at the corner of my eyes. It will look like just an extended version of my eyelashes, but a little thicker. So for my lips, I kept changing it according to what I was wearing for the day, but most of the time this is the lip combo that I wore. So I took this NYX lip liner in the shade Beyond Nude. I also got this lipstick by Rare Beauty and it is in the shade Inspire. So the way I used this lipstick was, I took it because it is quite bright and it's a beautiful shade, but I wanted to use it in a different way. So I just dab it like that with my finger. I'll just dab it and smudge it. So let me quickly fix my hair and I will be right back. So my hair is done and this look is complete. And I have shared this hair tutorial on my IGTV. I will mention the description in the description box below if you have not checked it already. I hope you have liked this Get Ready With Me summer edition. So until next time, take care, stay blessed and beautiful.